In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email from a task in ClickUp. This is a really useful feature when you want to communicate with someone directly without leaving your task workspace. It helps keep your conversation connected to the task itself, which makes it much easier to stay organized and track what was sent. To get started, open ClickUp and select the task you want to send an email from. Make sure you're inside the correct task before moving on, because the email you send will be tied to that specific task and its activity. Once the task is open, scroll down to the comment section near the bottom. This is where ClickUp lets you add updates, notes, and in this case, send an email directly from the task view. Next, look for the email icon next to the comment box and click it. This opens the email composer so you can begin preparing your message. If this is your first time using the feature, ClickUp may ask you to connect your email account first. If your account is not already connected, go ahead and complete that connection before continuing. This only takes a moment, and once it's done, you'll be able to send emails more smoothly from your tasks in the future. After that, enter the recipient's email address in the TOW field. Double check that the address is correct, especially if you're sending something important. A small typo here can send a message to the wrong person or cause it not to deliver. Then add a subject line. Keep it clear and relevant so the recipient immediately understands what the email is about. A good subject line also makes it easier to find the message later. Now type your message in the body of the email. Write clearly and keep your message focused on the purpose of the task. Since this email is being sent from within ClickUp, it can be especially helpful to keep your wording professional and easy to reference later. If you need to include supporting documents or other materials, add any files you want as attachments. This is helpful when the recipient needs extra context, such as a document, image, or file related to the task. Before sending, take a moment to review everything. Check the recipient, subject line, message, and any attachments to make sure everything looks right. Once you're satisfied, click Send Email. And that's it. You've successfully sent an email directly from a ClickUp task, helping you save time and keep communication organized in one place. Thanks for watching.